Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Alex, and today I'm going to be installing my new blow-off valve. Alright, so first thing I got to do is take off the intercooling piping right here. Take off this bracket, this one up here, take this out and disconnect this wire. And this is the blow-off valve, which is an HKS super sequential. Let's go ahead and open it up. I already opened it up just to make sure it's the right one. Alright, so in the box you have the blow-off valve. It is black. It's really nice. And there you go. It also comes with a flange that this sits inside here, just like that. You got your C-ring. You also have the seal. And inside the box as well, you get the filter that connects to a hose right here. Then this goes, and then the hose that I have on the car at the moment. And you got the fittings, some brackets as well to hold it in place. Just go ahead and jump right into it. It's off camera. I already took off the blow-off valve off, and I had to hammer down the quick steel because it was on there really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down. Then I'll show you how it looks sanded, and then I'll start JB welding this again with the new flange over there. So let's get that done. Alright, I went ahead and sanded this down. Before we go ahead and start putting the JB weld on it with the flange, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this with soap and water, and then clean it up again with some alcohol. That way it sticks good and it doesn't fall off when it pulls. Alright, so I have the JB weld right here. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this real quick, and once it's mixed, I'm gonna start putting a little bit on it. That way it can start hardening up and putting it into the position that I want to have it on. Make sure when you're mixing this JB weld, if y'all use JB weld for anything, just make sure it turns all one solid color so it sticks good. Yes, it does smell really bad. I recommend using gloves, but since it's gonna be sticky, I'd rather not use the gloves and just use my hands instead and just wash them really good with soap and water. Alright, so as you can see, it's all one color. We'll go ahead and start putting some on here. Got this to one color already. Just go ahead and add this on, so we can go ahead and start actually getting this at the position that we want. Oh snap, it went inside. Let me go ahead and grab that real quick. You don't want it to fall down there. Go ahead and start adding on a little bit down here. You can make your way around. I can already feel the JB weld get hard. So let's go ahead and start putting some more support on the back. Like so. So we got it to kind of stand up on its own already. We'll let that stay. And I'm going to heat it up. And you want to be careful with the heat gun so you don't burn yourself. Start heating this up so it can harden up faster. Alright, we got it. Let me go ahead and open up the new JB weld and start putting some on the other side. I do have it sort of misaligned. The reason why is so the J on one end it's gonna be hard, so it's not in the middle and anything can break it off really easy since it's not held on tightly from the bottom inside. So we'll go ahead and start trying to get this. I can already feel the JB weld harden up on one end, so we'll go ahead and move that around the way I want it. And then we'll let it harden up, and then we'll have this baby ready to go. Alright guys, I got it already on here. I'm gonna sand a little bit of this down to get it moved like this. It should not leak, so that's a good thing. And it's installed. I'll go ahead and put this back on, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so I finished installing everything, and the blow-off valve sounds really good. I didn't get any footage on that because my phone was running out of battery. But I am going to shave this off right here with some sandpaper, get it smoothed out, and it's really good on there. It's not gonna fall off with the car moving, and it sounds really good. I got it all connected here with the filter, so it sounds really good. And I would recommend this blow-off valve if anybody needs one.